Ever wonder why your hair just isn't growing like you want it to? Or maybe it's thinning out, and you're looking for a natural solution? Well, today I'm going to share with you the top 5 foods that can actually help promote hair growth. And no, they're not just the typical eat more spinach tips you've probably heard a million times. These foods are easy to find, tasty, and packed with the nutrients your hair needs to grow stronger and longer. Stick around because I guarantee you'll be surprised by some of these. First up, we have salmon. Yes, the fish. It's not just a yummy dinner option, but a powerhouse for hair growth. Why? It's loaded with omega-3 fatty acids, which help nourish your scalp, reduce inflammation, and promote healthy hair follicles. Omega-3s can even help keep your hair shiny and moisturized. So, whether you love it grilled, baked, or even in a salad, adding salmon to your diet is a game-changer for hair growth. Next up, we've got avocados. These creamy green beauties are packed with vitamin E, which is amazing for improving blood circulation to the scalp. Better circulation means more nutrients for your hair roots. Plus, they're full of healthy fats, which can help keep your hair shiny and prevent breakage. So, try adding them to your toast, smoothies, or even as a topping to your salad. Coming in at number 3, sweet potatoes. These orange wonders are loaded with beta-carotene, which your body converts into vitamin A. And vitamin A is crucial for healthy hair because it supports the production of sebum. That's the natural oil that keeps your scalp moisturized. So, eating sweet potatoes not only helps with hair growth, but also keeps your scalp in tip-top shape. Eggs are next on our list, and for good reason. They're packed with biotin, a key vitamin that helps strengthen hair and nails. Biotin deficiencies can actually lead to hair loss, so getting enough is super important if you want your hair to grow thick and strong. Plus, eggs are an excellent source of protein, which your hair is mostly made of. So, try to include eggs in your diet a few times a week for that extra boost. And finally, we've got spinach. I know, you've probably heard this one before, but hear me out. Spinach is actually a game changer. It's packed with iron, folate, and vitamins A and C, all of which work together to keep your hair strong, healthy, and growing. Iron helps carry oxygen to your hair follicles, which is key for healthy growth. Plus, the vitamin A in spinach helps with scalp health. So go ahead, pile up that salad or toss some in your smoothie. So there you have it, the top 5 foods that can help promote hair growth naturally. If you start incorporating these into your diet regularly, I promise you'll notice a difference in the health and thickness of your hair. And remember, healthy hair comes from the inside out. So it's not just about the products you use, it's also about the food you're feeding your body. Let me know in the comments which food you're most excited to try, or if you have any favorite hair-boosting foods of your own. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit that notification bell so you never miss out on more hair care tips. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.